Did February 2025 sales continue to go down, or did they finally go up? Hey guys, Scott Moe with the Moe Real Estate team here with our March 2025 Market update. Welcome back to those of you that do subscribe to our YouTube channel. To those of you that don't, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that little subscribe button down below, hit that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we do new videos. We've got some great content coming out in 2025 that you're not going to want to miss out on. So again, make sure you subscribe. So yes, after 3 months of gradually declining sales in February finally went up. The 920 sales in February was up 13% from January, but down 26% from February 2024. And out of interest, I looked up the busiest February we ever had. If you can take a guess when that might have been, yes, it was during COVID. February 2021, sales in that month were almost 3 times as many as we just had in February 2025. Just over 2,600 sales in 1 month. Busiest February in history. New listings dropped 9% month over month, but active inventory remains high. 8,070 current listings in the month of February, 45% above last February and 55% above the 10-year average. So lots of choice out there for buyers right now. If you're looking to buy, get out there and take a look around. And before we continue, if you don't know who we are, just a quick introduction. Once again, I'm Scott Moe, Moe Real Estate team. We've been selling real estate in the Surrey, Langley, and White Rock areas for over 20 years. So if you're looking to buy or sell in the area, reach out to us. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have and help you out if you don't have an agent helping you already. In terms of days on market, those came down slightly from January. Detached homes average of 39 days, townhomes 32 days, and condos came in at 36 days to sell. Prices also remain fairly stable, down less than 0.25% versus January, and versus the same month last year, the composite benchmark price out of all detached townhomes, condos, down 3.7%. However, if you break it down by detached and condos, etc., detached homes are only down 0.6% versus 1 year ago. Townhomes and apartments down a little bit more, 2.1% and 2.4% versus last year. And that is, again, that benchmark price. And what type of market were we in February? Well, we just eked in once again into that buyer's market. We're at 11% sales to active listings ratio. Just as a reminder, that percentage, when it's between 12 and 20%, that is a balanced market. So we're just in that buyer's market territory right now. That increased inventory out there, a little more buyer uncertainty. I guess, what I can say is people were thinking that this was going to be a really, really busy spring, and I still think it's got a chance of being that. The thing is, with all the stuff going on in the States, we've got these tariff headwinds going on. All this stuff is really changing buyer sentiment. I read an article recently that said buyer confidence right now was at the lowest point. Consumer confidence, like in general, at the lowest point since it's been since COVID. So all this stuff is definitely, throwing a wrench in things. People aren't sure what to do. All the other indicators, interest rates keep coming down. Another Bank of Canada meeting here in March. They're likely going to come down again. So, things are looking good in that department. But again, world events, as I always say, can change things quite a bit. And right now, that's definitely what's happening. So again, what sort of market are we in? Like if you were thinking of buying or selling right now, if you have a home that you need to sell first, I would definitely look at getting that on the market and selling that first. Once you sell that, you're gonna have lots of choice out there. We're only really at the tip of the iceberg usually in a traditional market in terms of number of listings. More listings come out in April and May than any of the other months of the year. So if inventory is high now, it should get higher, especially if sales keep on a moderate pace here. So if you have any questions, anytime, reach out to us. We're here to help. Me and my team would love to speak with you. Just reach out to us on email, text us, hit us up here on the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.